Hello, and welcome back to Just Facts. Today, we're diving deep into the health world of our furry feline friends. Let's unravel 5 critical health-related facts that every cat owner should be aware of. Fact 1. The growing concern of feline obesity. The love we have for our cats can sometimes translate into overfeeding or indulging them with treats. However, it's essential to know that obesity is the most prevalent nutritional disease among cats. Being overweight can lead to various complications from joint pain to respiratory issues. It's crucial to maintain a balanced diet and encourage regular exercise. Using toys or interactive feeders can make mealtime fun and challenging, helping your cat stay both mentally and physically active. Fact 2. The reality of feline diabetes. Cats, just like us, can fall prey to diabetes. The disease in cats can be eerily similar to human type 2 diabetes. Symptoms include excessive thirst, frequent urination, and weight loss despite increased appetite. The silver lining? With early detection, a proper diet, and regular vet checkups, cats with diabetes can lead healthy, normal lives. Always keep an eye on sudden behavioral changes and consult your vet if in doubt. Fact 3. Hairballs. More than just a nuisance. We've all been there, finding a hairball left by our cat. While it's natural for cats to groom themselves and occasionally cough up a hairball, frequent hairballs can be indicative of digestive issues. Inconsistent grooming, skin conditions, or high-fiber deficiencies can be culprits. If hairballs become more frequent or if your cat seems distressed, it's time for a vet visit. Fact 4. Sunburns aren't just a human concern. Yes, that's right. Cats can get sunburned too, especially those beauties with light-colored fur. The ears and noses of white or light-furred cats are particularly susceptible. This can lead to painful sores and even more severe skin conditions. If your feline enjoys sunbathing by the window, consider using sunscreens made explicitly for pets or using UV-blocking window films. Fact 5. Keeping those pearly whites in check. Dental disease doesn't discriminate, and our feline friends are no exception. It's one of the most common diseases in cats. Neglecting dental care can lead to painful infections, tooth loss, and can impact the overall health of your cat. Regular vet checkups, proper dental care at home, and specialized cat foods can aid in keeping your cat's teeth healthy and strong. That's our deep dive for today on cat health. Stay informed and remember that proactive care is the best way to ensure your feline friend stays in perfect health. For more insights, keep watching Just Facts.